All right, welcome back to your geometry semester 1 practice exam. Number 23 says, let P be you are a pitcher, and Q be, so you are a pitcher, and Q be you are on the basketball team, or baseball team, sorry. Write the contrapositive, looks like this, in words, and then decide whether it's true or false. So the contrapositive is not Q implies not P, or if not Q, then not P. So, if not Q, you are not on the baseball team. So, if you are not on the baseball team, then not P, you are not a pitcher. Then you are not a pitcher. Now, I would personally say that this statement is false, because just because you're not on the baseball team doesn't mean you're not a pitcher. You could be a pitcher that doesn't play on the baseball team. But I'm guessing that what they're shooting for is that this is true. You can't be a pitcher if you don't play on the team. So if you're not on the team, then you're not a pitcher. More about conditional statements, converse, inverse, and contrapositive in section 2.1. You want to make sure that you've got notes on those. Notes we've had questions about each one of those. Converse, inverse. Oh, we haven't done inverse yet. But converse, contrapositive, and conditional. So you want to make sure you have your notes on that, what the notation means, how each is written. Next, number 24. In the diagram, B is parallel to C. Find the value of Y. So here, if this is a 70-degree angle, then the one next to it must be 110 degrees, because they make a linear pair, which means that this one over here must be 110 degrees because they're alternate interior angles, and these are parallel lines. And these two have to be equal to each other because they're vertical angles, so 110 degrees equals 2y plus 26. We will subtract 26 from both sides. We get 110 minus 26 is, let's see, 84? No. Yeah, 84 equals 2y. We'll divide by 2 on both sides, and we get 42 equals y. In this case, it says find the value of y, not find the measure of the angle, find the value of y. So we're done when we find the value of y, 42 degrees. Again, anytime you're looking at a transversal crossing a pair of parallel lines, any two angles that you pick are either going to be complement or supplementary, they add up to 180, or congruent, they're the same. If you look here, that's a 70-degree angle. It's clearly an acute angle, less than 90. And this angle down here is clearly an obtuse angle, bigger than 90. So this one in the 70-degree must be supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. So we could have set it up that way, too. We could have said that 2y plus 26 plus 70 equals 180. We would have ended up with the same answer. But I knew that was 70, so it had to be the 110, alternate interior, 110. I can set them equal to each other. Several ways to set this up. In the end, we got 42. All right. Next, find AB. There's more about this in section 1.2. It's all about segment addition. We're supposed to find this length right here. Well, we know the big length is 35. The smaller length is 21. So 35 take away 21 is 14. So AB must be 14. 14 plus 21 is 35. Pretty straightforward. All right, next up. We'll find the coordinates of the... Oh, boy, this is going to take a while, so let's just pause here.